Gregory Collins ni umwe gatagati ka makirima aruto aria mareharagiriria gwika kigeranio gia KCSE mwaka uyu. Gutiririo gwa kigeranio mwaka uyu ni mugaru na matanya make makugashirithia githomo amuriu egucoka na thutha mwaka ungi umwe.
Was planning of course to go study abroad, and then again the corona itself, it's affecting every part of the globe, so that even affects, even if it would have been affecting us, but now it affects even the whole part. So
aratwira ati kuma thukuru hingo akoretwo agekirira kio mathomo-ini akihokaga ati no mageka kigeranio ona gutuika dariri cirariho ati thukuru itiracokereria na ihenya.
The day before, well, I tried keeping myself positive, but in mind I was so aware, with the situation. We are dealing with facts that we had a rising curve, so I just had to deal with it, that till January, we may just have to hold on till January. Yeah, and after the news, of course it was shocking. It was hard to take, but at the end of the day you have to take it.
Mami wao aratariria ati gutharara kwa mutaratara wa mathomo ni undu ucungiriirie meciria maingi kuri muruwe na njira njega riu ni kumukuruhania na maundu ngurani riria ari mucii.
An exam is not a do or die situation. These are brains. They can be reshaped. They can pick up from wherever they have stopped, as long as they keep constructively engaged, do a bit of reading, and obviously now with the postponement, we have to bring in more soft skills, other things that can be done other than reading, because reading might get depressing.
Aratwira ati Collins niendete kuruga gatagati ka maundu mangi na kuma riria thukuru cia hingirwo akoretwo gikundi-ini kia mbeu njithi aria maranyite itemi kurehe ugaruruku itura-ini riri.
We are talking of a teenager who can even pass for a chef, already cooks so well. I know he also loves football, so maybe he's going to build on football, then he's going to build on his culinary skills, and perhaps help with the little shamba that we have as a community service.
Arauga aciari mafatie gwikara mari maitho gukuruhania ciana na mawira ma micii na oho kumonia wendo na kugeria kwaraniria nao mahinda kwa mahinda.
Help them learn something, especially a skill at home. Just even how to do dishes, how to cook, how to do some little farm work, and keep them busy, be their cheerleader, because these people will need a bit of support. So any little thing somebody does that is positive, affirm.
Hadwini ha Kameme TV, Chitagugina Wawadurwa.